welcome back bikers. I'm Double D Doug Drummond, and this is Blue Line Baggers. Today, we're talking about one of my favorite upgrades. It's the 4.5-inch Khrome Werks True Dual Exhaust. Be right back. This isn't just a slip-on, guys. It's a full True Dual system, which is 2 independent pipes coming right from the engine. This is key. Why? It eliminates the restrictive crossover as well as the catalytic converter. The benefit is simple, maximum flow. Now, unlike a 2-into-1 or a 2-into-2 with the hidden crossover, True Duals ensure the least amount of exhaust gas exchange. So having True Duals ensures lower engine temps, better scavenging, and most importantly, power. Now, to get the real results, you need a full stage 1. With these True Duals combined with a high flow air cleaner and a proper tune, you can expect massive gains. We're talking about breaking into the 90 to 110 horsepower range and seriously bumping up that torque. This setup lets your Milwaukee-Eight breathe like it should. All right, enough about the numbers. The main reason you upgraded your exhaust was for the sound, and Khrome Werks, it delivers. It's that pure classic Harley sound. Khrome Werks delivers a deep, rich Harley Milwaukee-Eight rumble. Get ready. That 4.5-inch pipe is that deep, non-tinny sound that you want. It's loud when you want it to be, but it won't drone on the highway. For performance, sound, looks, Khrome Werks is tough to beat. And for just around $2,000 brand new for the full exhaust, you too can have that sound. So let me know down in the comments what exhaust you're running. And while you're down there, how about a follow and a like? I'm Double D Doug Drummond for Blue Line Baggers. Stay custom, stay riding, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care.